Hello everyone, welcome back to MIT 1100. So in the previous section we talked about areas, volume and perimeter, and every time we calculate those properties we need to have unit, and you're introduced to some unit already. In this section we will be learning how to convert from one unit to another unit. Okay, so let's get started. Section 2.4, unit conversion. Some students, when they really in high math level, they still have some trouble with unit conversion because the method of converting unit is sometimes might be different from one country to another country. For example, in my country, the way they do is a little bit different. In America, because we live in America, so we have to follow American way. So sometimes it's a little bit confusing, but try to understand it. Okay. So there's two types of unit system I want to introduce, which is not really mentioned in the textbooks, but I still want to introduce. The first type of unit system is the matrix system, the international system. Let's use that term. So international system. International system. Okay. International system, sometimes we call them metric system. We use meter, centimeter. Okay. So this is the order you need to know for international unit system, and I'm gonna write the relation between each unit. Okay. So the first one I want you to know is kilometer. Then we talk about decameter. Then we have hectometer. Okay. Then we have meter. Then we have decimeter. Then we have centimeter. Then we have millimeter. Okay. That's a short way of writing hectometer, but I don't know how. I probably it's HM, HEM, and over here is DCM, maybe DCM, and this HECM. In the textbook they never mention about those, but with some extra knowledge, I want you to know. Maybe later it's happened you. Okay. So I'm gonna draw the column like this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna draw a column like this, and I will tell you the relationship between this unit. Okay, because in order to convert from one unit to another unit, you need to know the relation. Okay, so the first relation you need to know is that 1 meter is actually 10 decimeter. 1 meter is 10 decimeter. Okay, it's 10 decimeter. So 1 meter is 10 decimeter. So we'll start from here is this as the reference point, So this I just called a new term for this column. This is the reference position. Okay, and 1 meter is also equal to 100 centimeters. Okay, 100, and 1 meter is 1,000 millimeter. That's just the relationship. So if you go, you go from meter to millimeter, you go from left to right, right? The same thing over here. You're gonna go from left to right. So 1 kilometer is 10 decameter. 1 kilometer will be 100 hectometer, and 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter. And you do the same. So 1 kilometer is 10,000 decimeter, 100,000 centimeter, and a million millimeter. Okay, so 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. A million. 1 kilometer is a million millimeter. Okay. No, I don't know. Some of you want to major in chemistry, so maybe this system is kind of help you later for chemistry. Chemistry, they mention something called micrometer. Okay. So this is for length. This is for length. Okay. This is international unit for length. And for the weight, it's kind of the same thing. So for the weight, we have kilogram, hectogram, kilogram, decagram. Oh, I think I messed up over here. This is deca. So this is hecto. See. So kilogram. Then we have hectogram. Then we have decagram. Okay. Then we have gram. Then decigram, centigram, and milligram. And you're gonna treat the same way as you have for the length. Okay, so this is the weight. All right. All right. And now I want to talk about the second type of system. Is the British system. So it's the second one will be a British system. In America, we use British system because America used to be a colony of British Empire. Okay, so old country influenced by British Empire use British system. Okay. But international system is more popular. So British system for length. For length, we have a bunch of them. We have miles, we have mouse, we have fit, we have yard. Okay, that's just the popular one you often see. Okay, and let's see if anything else for for the width. So that is for length. Maybe there's more, but I don't remember. Probably more, you know. But this is what you usually see. So for the width, will be pounds, lb. Okay, could be ounce. Okay, okay. Okay, anything else? I remember. Let's see. For the weight, the pounds, ounce. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay. I think there's something more, but I forgot. But I think this is the popular one. But for the volume, we also have volume here. I'm sorry, for volume. Let's talk about the volume of the British systems. For us, so volume will be pint, right, gallon. Okay. Pints, gallon. Usually they write like this, gal. Okay. Let's see what else. Okay, I think that's all. And for the volume here, for the, I think I missed this. The volume for the volume in international unit will be so it's kind of the same, you know. It could centimeter cube, volume, meter cube, something like that. But it's a cube. Okay, it's a cube. So a kilo, meter cube, centimeter cube, millimeter cube. But the most popular you often see is centimeter cube, millimeter cube. You will have sometimes we call liter. So this is L, liter. Okay. And we have liter, millimeter, millimeter, centiliter. Okay. 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 Oh, I don't think they have that. We don't have. So liter, I don't think. Yes, we do. We do. Okay. And we can change between those two. Yes, we do have it. Okay. All right. All right. Now, so on the third part, I want show you how to convert unit. Convert unit using something we call that conversion factor. So if they give you the relation between two type of unit, then then you can write a conversion factor easily. What if you have this? What if you already know 1 kilogram? Okay, 1 kilogram. Let me change the color. Let me change to this color. Let's see. What if you already know 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pound. Okay. Okay. Then you can write the conversion factor. The conversion factor will be 1 kilogram over 2.2 pounds. So this is conversion factor, and 2.2 pound is 1 kilogram. All right, so this is conversion factor. We have two types of conversion factor. Okay, this is conversion factor. Okay, I mean, in my country I use directly the relation, but over here we have to use conversion factor to convert unit. Okay, so that's the conversion factor. Okay. Okay. Oh, if you know the relationship between gallon and liter, 1 gallon is equal to 3.79 liter. Okay. Then you can write a conversion factor like this. Liter. Okay. Or you can write 3.79 liter over 1 gallon. Same thing. Okay. Same thing. Alright. So that's this conversion factor. Now, next I'm going to show you how to convert unit. Okay. Okay. How about this problem? Let's see. My house is about 15 miles from the Gulf of Mexico okay, and question is, how far inches Alright, solution. So what if you have this type of question, how we use the conversion unit to convert to inches? Okay. So we know, first of all, you need to know the relationship. Okay, you need to know the relationship. The relationship is between miles and feet. So 1 miles is 5,280 feet. And you also need to know the relation between feet. 1 feet is 12 inches. Oh, this is everybody know. Okay. Now I'm gonna set up the conversion factor to convert it to inch. So we know we need to start from 50 miles. Okay, we multiply by the conversion factor so that we can convert it to unit. So 5280 feet over 1 mile. So this is the conversion factor, right? You need to know you multiply by this so that you can cancel the mile. So you need to, you don't use the other one, you don't use the other conversion factor, because there are always two type of conversion factor. One is the reciprocal of the other. So the other conversion factor is 1 mile over 5280 feet, but we have to use 5280 feet over 1 mile conversion factor, because when you're doing so, you can cancel the miles. Okay, and you know that 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay, so we're gonna use the inch on the top and the foot at the bottom conversion factor, because by doing so we can cancel the feet. And finally, you see what you have left is inches, so you take 5280 you multiply it by 12, then the answer will be 63360 inches. Okay. Oh, I forgot to multiply by 15. Ooh, see, I need to multiply by 15 also. So I forgot. So this is not this one. I forgot to multiply by 15. So the answer is 950,400 inches. Okay, so that's the way you use conversion factor to convert unit. All right, let's do another example. Example 4. Oh, I don't have paper. Let's jump to another paper. Example 4. If a large recipe call for 7 cups of sweet ice, call for 7 cups of sweet ice cream. Okay, if comma how many gallon is that? How many gallon is that? Okay. All right, so how we do this? Let's use different color here. It's just more different color, more fun, yeah. Let's use different color. How about we do? Oh, I think I already. Let's do this one. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Okay. I don't know why I don't have the blue one, the dark blue one. I really love that color. So we need to calculate 7 cups into gallon. Okay, and we know what we need to know, the relation. We know that answer we know that the relation most of the time they give you, but sometimes they don't give you. You must memorize. We know that 2 cups is equal to 1 pint. Okay, 8 pint is a gallon. Okay, so that's the relationship. Alright, so we need to go from pint and 5 pint from gallon. So we know that we start with 7 cups multiplied by, we know that, so we need to cancel the cup, right? So we know 1 pint, so we're going to use this conversion factor, 2 cups. Okay, and you multiply by, oh, alright, then you use the 1 gallon is 8 pint. So you have to set up the conversion factor some way somehow so that you can cancel all the cup and cancel all the pint. So what you have left will be gallon. So all you have to do will be 7 over 2 times 8 gallon. Okay, so your answer will be 7 divided by 16. So it will be 0.4375 gallon. Okay. Alright. So when you write the unit gallon, so we don't put the s anymore. If you write gallons, then you put the s. But if you use the unit, so originally the gallon unit don't have s. Okay. Alright, so that is how you use conversion factor. But that is when we're dealing with length or something that is not like meter cube, centimeter cube, area, or the volume in a British system. It will be a little bit different. Okay. So you have to be careful. Okay, so I don't know, when like the previous page, when I mentioned about the volume, you see the volume over here, I don't draw the table. So, and for the area, I don't draw the table either. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna draw the table for the area so that you know. Okay, let's go back here. So international unit, I think yeah, we don't draw the table. So this is continue with international unit. Okay, but now we do for the area and the volume. Okay, so let's move up. Okay, so I'm going to change the color again. So this is area in international unit. International unit. Okay, so now we know the regional international is meter, centimeter, but every time you deal with area, it's a little bit different. So let's start from a reference point, meter. Then this is meter square. Okay, because the area will be meter square, so meter times meter. Then this is decimeter square. Then we have centimeter square. Do we have millimeter square? and over here decameter so square, hectometer square, and kilometer square. Okay, so for the length usually we have only 1 0, but if we have area, 1 meter is 100 decimeter, so we have 2 0. Will be a 10,000 centimeter, and it will be a million millimeter square. Okay, similarly you can do the same, but every column, instead of having 1 0, you will have 2 0. Okay, all right. All right, and if it's for the volume in international unit, it will be a little bit different also. Okay, again we will have meter cube. This is pico volume, decimeter cube, centimeter cube, then millimeter cube. Then over here we have decimeter cube, hectometer cube, and we have kilometer cube. Kilometer cube is just big. So the reference point here, so instead of having 2 0, we have 3 0. Okay, and we have here 6 0. So each column is 3 0. Okay, remember that. All right. Okay, let's see, we can convert. Let's do an example. Okay. Okay. All right, let's see how we do that. What if I want to convert example? Let me see. Converting to 154 centimeter cube to inch cube. So how we do that? Alright. Okay, we need to know the relation between inch and centimeter. Okay, so we know that answer. We know that 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. So this is what you need to know. Now we're gonna set up the conversion factor. Okay. Okay, so how we do that? How we do that? We know that 1000 centimeter, so we want to go to inch. So how we gonna set up? So we know, remember that centimeter cube is actually 2. I can write like this, right? 2.54 centimeter cube is 2.54 centimeter times centimeter times centimeter, right? I can write like that. Okay. And we know that 1 inch is 1.54 centimeter. So 1 inch. So let's use this. 1 inch is 2.54 centimeter. Okay. So that is conversion factor. Let's see what next we should do. So I think something wrong with the question. So I guess I think this is wrong right here. So I want you to convert 1000 centimeter cube to inches. Yeah, 1000. I'm sorry. Okay, so we know that yeah, I look at it, something really doesn't make sense over there. So I need to change the question because all the question I come up by myself. So I probably had a mistake, but yeah, so I changed it. All right, so we know that it's 1000 centimeter cube. We should multiply by this factor, but if I do so, you see that I just can cancel the centimeter, only 1 centimeter cube, right? So I need to multiply by another factor. Okay, and I multiply by another factor. And you see that centimeter times centimeter times centimeter is centimeter cube. So let me write this. This is equal to centimeter cube. See that? So I can cancel this to this. So what I have left is inch in inch. So inch times inch will be inch cube. All right. Now we're gonna take 1000 divided by this 3 number. So 1000 divided by 2.54 raised to the 3rd power. So your answer should be 61.02. All right. 0.02. There you go. Okay. What else? So that is when you're dealing with the volume. Let's see we can do with the area or not. So this example 2. Example 2 goes like this. My bedroom has an area of 196 feet square. So I want to convert this that area to inch square inch. Okay, so how we do that? So we need to know again between feet and inch. So 1 foot is 12 inches. Okay. Okay. So feet square is feet times feet, and inch square is inch times inch. Okay, you already know that. And we start with 196 feet square. And we need to multiply by something so that can cancel the feet, and you have inch left. So the conversion factor is this. And you need to do another one, because if you do 1, then you just cancel and you still have left. But if you have 2, then you can cancel the feet here and the whole thing here. So what you have left is, oh, there's a mistake right here. So what you have left is just inch. So I use the conversion factor twice. Same thing over here, I use conversion factor 3 times. So what I have left is 196. Times 144. So your answer is 28,224 inch times inch square. All right, there you go. I marked my answer. Okay. So that is how you use conversion factor. So there are only 2 types of conversion factor. So you need to use the correct one so that you can cancel the unit that you don't need anymore, and so that you can leave back the unit you need. Okay, the unit they want you to convert to. Okay, in this case is inch square inch. So you have to keep it. You cannot put the feet before the inch on the top and inch at the bottom, because in that case you cannot cancel the feet. Okay, so that is the way you convert between one unit to the other unit. So if I give you the question, most of the time I give you the relation between 2 units. Okay. But it's good that you know, if you memorize all this metric system, the column one I already show you, that you don't have to memorize. You just need to memorize the table, that's the column I show you. Okay. Alright, so that's all for this lecture. Again, if you have questions, let me know. I'll be seeing you next time. Bye bye.